Hi there, home decor lovers. Ready to save big with free Wayfair promo codes? I'll show you how to get them step by step. Visit easycoupon.co/way or scan the QR code on your screen to begin. Start by entering your email address so the promo code can be sent directly to you. I'm entering mine now. It's super fast. Next, choose your device, iOS or Android. I'm using Android, so I'll pick that and click Continue. The system will generate your Wayfair promo code. To ensure you're not a bot, but a real person, download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are free, secure, and from trusted developers with millions of downloads. After installation, open and use each app for about a minute. Some apps may ask you to register or reach a specific level in a game, like level 9 or 10. Completing these steps is required to receive your promo code. I'll fast forward with some background music while I complete this process. Done! Checking my email, and there it is, my Wayfair promo code. Time to shop for beautiful home furnishings at a discount. If you found this useful, subscribe for more tips like this. Happy shopping!